Hello everyone, Optical Communication MCQ, a technique used for determining the total fiber attenuation per unit length is cutback method. Option C. The system designer find greatest interest in the overall fiber attenuation. Option A. How much parameter are usually worked upon by the measurement technique in attenuation. Option B. 2. What type of light source is usually present in the cutback method. Option A. What is the hierarchy of process at the receiving end of the cutback technique? Option A. Photodetector lock-in amplifier. Next question. What is the unit measurement of the optical attenuation per unit length? Option A. Option B. dB per kilometer. Decibel per kilometer. Which technology used for backscatter? Option C. Domain optical time domain reflectometer. Dash measurement checks the impurity level in the manufacturing process. Material absorption loss. Dash removes the light propagated in the cladding mode stripper, which is the name for test used to determine the efficient values of the effective cut. Option A. Round robin test. Dash method does not require leaky mode correction. Factor or equal mode excitation. Option D. Refractor near field method. The dash method is the most common used method for the determination of the fiber refractive index profile. Refractor nearly field method. The dash method gives the accurate measurement of the refractor index profile. Option A. Slab. The dash affects the light gathering capacity and the normalized frequency of the fiber. Numerical aperture. Option A is the correct answer. The calculation of the numerical aperture from a refractive index data are less accurate for the graded index fiber step index fiber. Option B. True. Far field pattern measurement with regards to multimode fiber are dependent on the length of the fiber. During the fiber drawing process, the fiber outer diameter is maintained constant to 1%. What is the minimum value of accuracy in diameter is needed to avoid radiation losses in the fiber? 0.3%. Which of the following is non-contacting optical method of the on-end diameter measurement? Option D. Image projection method. The technique used to determine the refractive index profile can also used to determine the core diameter. True. Option A. A measure of amount of optical fiber emitted from source that be coupled into fiber is termed as option C. Coupling efficiency. The ratio R equal to n minus n divided by n1 minus n indicates reflection coefficient. Option B. How many types of? Option D. 3 types. How many type of misalignment occurring when joining? Option D. 3. The intensity loss through multimode fiber joint is independent of direction of propagation. Option B. False. Losses caused by factor such as core cladding diameter, numerical aperture, relative refractive index are different refractive index profile. Fiber faults are called intrinsic joint losses. Option A. The permanent joint formed between two different optical fiber field is known as fiber splice. Option A. How many type of fiber sizes are available? Option B. 2. The insertion losses of the fiber slices are much less than the Fresnel reflection loss. Option A. True. The heating of two prepared fiber ends to the fusing point with the application of required axial pressure between the two optical fibers is called fusion splicing. The rounding of the fiber ends with an low energy discharge before pressuring the fiber together and fusing with the stronger is called prefusion. Dash is caused by surfacing tension affects between the two fiber ends during fusion. Self-alignment. Dash found by sandwiching button. Fiber ends between glass substrate at flat. Option B. What is the use of index matching material in the connector between the two jointed fiber? Option B. To increase the light transmission through the connection. How many categories of fiber connector exist? Option C. 2. The basic connector is also called condensic sleeve connector. Which among the following provides optical receiver for the regeneration of data signal with minimum error? Option C. Linear circuitry. Which kind of misalignment assists in reduction of overlap region in fiber? Option C. Lateral. The function of optical transmitter is convert the electrical signal to an optical signal. Which is the correct order sequence steps for electric fusion technique? Option C. Which splicing technique involves the alignment and locking the broken fiber edges by means of positioning devices and optical cement? Mechanical. In the fiber optic link, power transfer from one fiber to another. The detector must take place with maximum coupling efficiency. For photodiode with responsivity of 0.50 am, optical power about 12 nW. What could be the value? Generated photo current 6 nA. Which component of the optical receiver? Linear frequency shaping filter. For the composition of distortion and intersymbol ISI equalizer. Which method determines the dispersion limitation of the optical link? Rise time budget. Demountable fiber connector are more difficult to achieve than optical fiber species. True. The connector, the fiber ends are separated by some gap. This gap ranges 0.025 to 0.10 mm. Dash is the lowest noise amplifier device, silicon FET. Properties of bipolar transistor and superior to FET. False. It is difficult to achieve higher transmission rates using conventional. Option C. PIN, FET or APD receivers. What is usually required by FET to optimize figure of merit matching with detector? Just a quick revision. What is usually required by FET to optimize the figure of merits matching with the detector? It is difficult to achieve higher transmission rate using conversion. Option C. PIN, FET or APD receiver. The properties of bipolar transistor are superior to FET. False. Dash is lowest noise amplifier device, silicon FET. In connector, the fiber ends are separated by some gap. This gap ranges from 0.025 to 0.10 mm. Demountable fiber connector are more difficult to achieve than optical fiber species. Option A true. Which method determines the dispersion limitation of an optical link? Rise time budget. Which component of an optical receiver is linear frequency shaping filter used for the compensation of signal distortion and ISI equalizer? In the optical link, a photodiode which responsivity of 0.50 optical power is about 2 nW. What could be the value of generated photocurrent? 6 nW. 6 nA. In the fiber optic link, power transfer from one fiber to another from the fiber. Detector must take place maximum coupling efficiency with spacing technique involves the alignment and locking of broken fiber edges by positioning devices and optical cement. Mechanical. Which is the correct order? Option C, B, A. Alignment of broken fiber edge, application of feed smoothing of end surface, pressing of fiber ends fusion. The function of optical transmitter is converted into electrical signal to optical signal. Which kind of misalignment assists in the reduction of overlap region in fiber? Which among the following provides the optical receiver for the regeneration of data signal minimum error? The basic connector is also called concentric sleeve connector. How many two categories